Hello there guys, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about environment variables. Now, what are environment variables? Environment variables are the variables that the operating system passes to your shell programs. What that means is that when you run your shell program, it has access to the environment variables. And that also means that a shell program then uses those environment variables to read its configuration and options from them. Okay, so let me see which environment variables I have on my computer, and I can do that by using the print env command, where env stands for environment. And so basically here we can see a list of my environment variables. Okay, there's a lot of them. They start all the way from here to all the way down here. Okay, so this is basically the last environment variable. Okay, so these are accessible to each and every shell that I open up, because again, environment variables are the variables that the operating system passes to your shell programs, which means that if you actually have some variable in your environment, then each and every shell has access to it. Okay, so that's important to note in this tutorial. Okay, and I think we covered pretty much everything I want to say. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.